We have another improper integral here. We see that we have infinity as one of the limits of integration. So right away we know we're dealing with an unbounded region. We know that the next word that we have to write down is limit. And so we're going to take the limit as b goes to infinity of the definite integral from 2 to b of 9 over x ln x. Oops, that's a funny ln x. There we go. Now we can use regular u substitution here. So we're going to let u equal natural log of x. And u substitution works here because the derivative is present. So the derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x, which is right there. So u sub is going to work. So this is going to give us 9. I'm going to factor that 9 all the way out to the front. 9 times the limit as b goes to infinity. And we're converting over to u's now. And I'm not going to convert the limits. I'm going to put some placeholder limits here. And this is going to be, let's see, there's a u in the denominator. So natural log of x becomes u in the denominator, which we could write, which we will write as 1 over u. And then dx over x, that becomes du. So we end up with that as our new integral. That is integrable. So we're going to just let this limit piece float around in front and wait. I'm not doing anything with it yet. And we know that that antiderivative is natural log absolute value of u from star to double star. Well, now we can do our back substitution. So we have 9 limit natural log of the absolute value of natural log of x. And the limits of integration are back to 2 and b. So this gives us 9 limit natural log of b minus natural log of 2. And we don't technically need those absolute value bars because we have positive numbers in there, but it's okay to leave those. And this limit is as b goes to infinity. And this part right here, this is just a constant, that's just a number. This in here, where does that go? Well, let's focus one thing at a time. Let's take a look in here. Remember that the natural log function is growing towards infinity. So this limit inside there is infinite. And then if you're plugging a number that's getting larger and larger and larger into this outside natural log function, that's also going to infinity. And then infinity minus a number is still infinite. So this is going to be infinity. So in other words, this curve, 9 over x times ln x, does not approach the x-axis fast enough for that unbounded region to be finite.